Temps.
And I'm Dash. We are MadDash. And today we are going to be making jumbo edible marbles. You need 2 ingredients: balloons and food coloring. You could use food coloring, but we're using flavored water. Let's go. First, we are going to be making purple grape. So now the second step is to put it in the faucet. Turn it on? Sure. I got this. Balloon number 1 is done. Now we're going to make the rest of the flavors. We made all the flavors. Now we're going to take them outside and let them freeze. We're gonna check them in the morning. Hey, did we mention that we're in the middle of a blizzard? Brr, it's so crazy out there. It's 5 degrees outside. We hope you like this DIY activity. Go like and subscribe. It's a perfect project for a snow day. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the snow. Whoa, it's deep. Okay, we're gonna come out tomorrow and check them in the morning. Hey guys, it's the next day and we're gonna go find the edible marbles and try them. Let's go. Oh, one popped.
Come on.
One of them already popped, Mom. And they're not frozen. They're not frozen, Mom. That one I stepped on accident and it popped. Yeah, these aren't frozen. Look. These are not frozen. They're not frozen. We gotta leave them out for longer. Okay, here you go. Oh, up here you go. 1, 2, 1, 2. We found them all, but they're not all frozen, so we're gonna come back later. Hey guys, we're gonna make some snow ice cream, and we need to get 8 cups of fresh snow. So let's go find some. Okay, guys, here's Is that about? That looks good. So now let's go inside and make it ice cream. Okay, now we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. Half a cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're gonna mix it. We're done mixing, now we're gonna scoop it out and try it. You want more? Yeah. I'll tell you when to stop. That's not good. A little bit more. Okay. Now we're gonna try it. Oh my God, that is so good! I can taste the sugar. It's so good. You've got to try this when you have snow. It's so good. We give it 2 thumbs up. Hey guys, we've left these out here for 2 days. Now we're gonna open them. Ooh, they look good. Here's the first one. Here's the first one. It's very cold. Tastes like oranges. What color do you think this one was? Oh, probably our first one because it didn't have that much color in it. The orange one tastes good. Here's the next one. Oh, Oh shoot, I almost dropped it. Get that green apple. This one is the best. Mmm! It's good. And I'll do this one. Look how satisfying this is. So slippery. This is really good. Let's smash one open. God. This one worked out good. These are our edible marbles. And there's Bud. Look at this icicle I found. Can I lick it? Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.